Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're gonna be working in Brandon, Florida. We're here for a strip mall plaza that needs a roof cleaning. They have a TPO roof, so we're gonna do a soft wash on the roof today. Jason is with me. We're gonna knock this job out. It's on a Sunday. We typically don't work on Sundays, but they're closed today. There's nobody here. Got the whole place to ourselves, so we're gonna knock it out. We're gonna use probably like a 6% mix, 6% will be enough for this roof. We will have to rinse this roof. Normally I don't rinse roofs, so we're gonna rinse this one here, probably with a ball valve. If not the ball valve, we'll use the M5 twist nozzle, because that's a low pressure nozzle, and we won't damage the roof at all. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you got questions, and hit the bell so you know when I put up a new video. The soft wash system we're using today is my 12-volt system. It's low PSI, 100 PSI deadlift pump. I have a proportionate, which I can mix whatever level of chemicals I want, and I use a basic soft wash gun, mainly with two nozzles, which is a 2540 fan tip and a 0040 jet stream tip. I'm gonna show you guys both my whole system as far as the soft wash system goes, and I get up top and show you guys the roof. Y'all stay tuned. All right, so this is my soft wash system here. This is my chemical. This is my water. This is a surfactant one. I lost the knob for it, so I just been putting my surfactant inside of my SH tank, pre-mixed already, until I get the knob replaced. I think I have it. I just haven't found where it is to put it on there. I don't really use it that much since I put the surfactant inside the SH tank. So that would be for additional additional soap if I wanted to. This is my 12-volt pump in here. I use this is a Delavan 7 GPM 100 PSI 12-volt pump, and I use a 1/2 inch ag hose with it, and this is a 3-way ball valve to rinse out my SH valve over there so it lasts longer. I don't want to leave no chemicals in there because it will corrode it, so I can flip it. When I flip it down, it's pulling out of the SH tank. When I flip it to the side here, it's pulling out the water tank to rinse it out. So I have it down right now because we're going to be using the SH tank. So y'all stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys the top. You guys, so we at the top of the roof here. This is the TPO roof. It's like a kind of like a vinyl roof, kind of like the same things you see on top of mobile homes. We're going to blow out the gutters. The gutters got some trash and leaves and debris. We'll get that done. Like I said, we're going to soft wash this roof, so we're going to make sure we get all the leaves that's on top. Jason's getting them out the corner right now. We'll knock those down. This gutter runs all the way down to the end. You can see here, same thing here. It's not terrible, but I think it'll be easier just go ahead and do it with the ball valve than doing it with the blower. We do have the blower here just in case, but the ball valve makes it real easy. This is a decent sized roof too. You can see it's a lot of dirt marks where the water settles. Each one of the little things is where the water settles. So we're gonna hit it with that strong 6% mix, let it dwell, and we will rinse. Like I said, we're gonna use probably the M5 twist, or we'll use the ball valve to rinse. So either or. All right, so now we got the gutters cleaned out, flushed out. We're gonna go ahead and start on the roof. I'll start on this corner here. It's kind of hot a little bit. I'm not sure how long I'm gonna let it sit on here. I don't want to let it dry, that much. So therefore, we're probably gonna let it sit for a few minutes and I'll rinse it off. Work in sections. Let me see. Probably break it down in 3 sections. I'll go from the end to this right here, this area right here. We'll do this area here and then rinse it, and I'll move on to the next, so we don't let it dry. If it's starting to get dry, you can probably just spray a little bit of water on top just to keep it wet. And that'll buy you some time. All right, we got a 2-man crew. So once I spray this, Jason start rinsing, I can probably start working over there. We got some good water flow, man. Water's filling up fast. So we're gonna start now. Y'all stay tuned. All right, so just like I said, we're gonna work in sections. Jason just put the 8 gallons per minute pressure washer hose on. He'll rinse this side because I only got 150 feet on this, so he's not gonna be able to reach all the way down. I'll rinse this side with the 12 gallons per minute pressure washer. This side is already sprayed. You guys can see what this looks like versus what that side looked like. Once we rinse this up, it's gonna look nice and bright and white. So he's gonna come up now and start rinsing this side. Like I said, we don't wanna let it sit and dry on here. So right now it's still, you can see what it's gonna look like underneath when we clean. Nice clean roof. So I'm gonna continue working, applying chemical here. I can always grab my hose to sprinkle it with some water if it's starting to dry up, if Jason doesn't get to me in time. All right, guys, we're a little bit over halfway with the roof treated. Jason is gonna start now over there rinsing. I'm not gonna continue because I'm kind of far away from him. That's gonna take a little while to rinse thoroughly, so I'm gonna just start rinsing myself as well. Make sure that nothing dries on this roof. All right, we're moving along pretty good. I just got done treating this side here. You You can see the difference between that side and over here. There are some spots that they're not coming up because the water has been settling there for so long, so therefore they're not gonna come up. I know you guys saw those spots when I came up here, so the water settles there. Right now they got some dirty water in it that we're just gonna blow off. Whatever, when we get everything done, we'll rinse it off one more good time. But some of those spots, they're not gonna come out. There's little divots, they just hold water. There's nothing we can really do about that. And there's some staining as well from the equipment up here. You can see the staining right here. That's not gonna come off as well. Any spots where the water has set down for a long time, over and over and over, it's not gonna do it. You know, it's not gonna go away. Some of these areas are not gonna go away because the water just settles right here non-stop. But we're gonna go ahead and keep rinsing this here. Like I said, we don't want it to dry. Everything is wet right now still. We'll start rinsing this, and then we'll do a little spot treat just like we're doing a regular roof. If it needs to be hit, areas need to be hit, we'll just do that. We'll just spray it again and rinse it off. No biggie. All right, we all finished here. Roof is fantastic. Like I said, some of the spots not gonna come out. It's just how the roof looks. Water settles, and it's basically made a mark on the roof. So let's check it out. This is what we're looking like now. See those little circles I'm talking about? When we came up earlier, they were like dirty looking because the water was just sitting there, but there's a mark underneath. But as far as the roof goes, you guys can see it's nice and white. It is a commercial roof. Nobody's gonna come up here really, except when they have inspection. We got the gutters cleaned out, and yeah, I'm liking the results. The gutters, look at the gutters, clean. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Well, we're done. If you got questions, just ask. I thank y'all for all the support. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell, so you know when I put up new content. Y'all have a good one. I'm gonna see y'all the next one, guys.